Welcome to the Holistic Psychotherapy Summit. This is a free online event which aims to provide mental health professionals with the most essential ideas for practicing effective psychotherapy in the coming decade. You'll learn directly from the leading minds in the field. Okay, Anna, welcome to the summit.
The real reason we're so unhappy is because we're living in this world of incredible overabundance and we're stressing our brains.
So many of our problems are because we tend to try to demonize and lock up each other instead of listening at first and then actually helping each other heal.
So there's that unity that I think we forget. We think we're just working with the mind, or we think we're just working with the body, but it's one unified system.
And then when I went around talking to people about this, they goes, of course the self is the body. My self is here, here's my self. I go, well, actually, let's take a deep breath around that, because if you're only acting on behalf of this, then we're doomed.
You'll learn directly from the leading minds in the field, people like Ogden, Richard Schwartz, Anna Lembke, Gilbert, Janina Fisher, Cozolino, Lisa Feldman Barrett, Porges, Siegel, and many others. The best bit is it's free to attend, and you can register simply by going to the link in this video or the one in the description below.